If you're having trouble starting your mower, a dirty air filter could be the problem. Get your mower running again with these tips on how to inspect, clean, and replace your air filter. To get the best performance from your tractor, you should check your air filter every 10 hours and replace it each season. If you live in a dry or dusty area, you'll want to inspect and replace it more often. Depending on your model, instructions may vary slightly, and always check your operator's manual before you begin maintenance. Make sure your tractor has the parking brake set and remove the ignition key. Remember to let the engine cool down, then disconnect the spark plug wires. Next, clean the air filter area of dirt and debris. You don't want to accidentally contaminate your air intake. Remove the cover from the air filter. Slide the filter out, but be careful not to damage the pre-filter if your engine has one. Remove the foam pre-filter and inspect it for rips or tears. If the pre-cleaner is damaged, it'll need to be replaced. If not, you can clean the pre-filter in warm soapy water. Gently squeeze out the water and allow it to dry. Don't wring out the pre-filter, as that may damage it. If the paper inner filter is heavily soiled or torn, replace it. If it is lightly soiled, gently tap it against a hard surface to loosen dirt, but don't use compressed air to clean the filter. Next, place the foam pre-filter back on the filter. Then install the filter back over the air intake and check to make sure that it's seated properly. Close or reattach the filter housing and reconnect the spark plugs. And finally, start the engine to make sure it's working properly. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful equipment tips from Troy-Bilt.